Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my Crab Au Gratin. This delectable recipe features a modified hollandaise sauce and 2 different types of cheese and brings it all together, raising crab to a whole new level. All while keeping it just over 1 net carb per serving. Let's get started. For this recipe, I highly recommend using Gruyere cheese. Its meltability and creamy rich flavor is important to the overall flavor and texture profile of the recipe. But as with any of my recipes, feel free to put your own personal twist and use a different cheese if you like. You'll need 1 green onion stalk and 1 large garlic clove. Chop the garlic and green onion, separating the white from the green. Add 8 ounces of crab meat to a mixing bowl. Add some salt, ground black pepper, and some creole seasoning. Mix together to combine. Reserve about 1/8 of the crab meat for later. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Add the white part of the green onion and cook for a minute or 2. Just enough to soften the onions a bit and flavor the butter. Add the garlic and cook another 30 seconds. Remove from the heat. Add the butter, onion, and garlic to the seasoned crab. Mix this thoroughly and set aside. Place a heat-proof bowl over some simmering water. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the bowl and slowly mix until the butter is melted. Stir in 2 egg yolks one at a time to the melted butter. Add the second one after the first is fully incorporated. Once both yolks are mixed in, add some lemon juice. Now we'll add the shredded Gruyere cheese a handful at a time. Adding the cheese this way won't lower the temperature drastically, allowing the cheese to melt a bit easier. Once the cheese is fully incorporated, add the seasoned crab meat. Use a spoon and fold the crab into the cheese mix until blended. Place 4 4-ounce ramekins on top of a baking tray. Evenly distribute the crab into the ramekins. Add the crab meat we reserved to the tops of each. And now top each with about a tablespoon of shredded Parmesan cheese. This next step is important and adds to the overall flavor. You want to dust each with a pinch or 2 of creole seasoning. Finish by adding the green onion tops. Place this in the middle of a preheated 375-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the edge is brown and it's nice and bubbly. Remove and let cool just a bit. Serve warm with a squeeze of lemon, and enjoy. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my Crab Au Gratin recipe. Now you can still watch your carbs and enjoy cheesy crab goodness at a whole new level. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.